Alright guys, let's do a quick unboxing, see what we got here. Looks promising. Came in quickly because it's an Amazon package. Alright, here we go. Let's see what's in this cool box here. It looks big and it looks heavy. Let's get rid of that real quick. Ooh. Exciting. Oh, look at that. Looks like a tank. Look at that. Interactive IR battle combat proven machines. It has a cool remote in there. Let's figure out how it works. But probably we'll continue on with this video in the next one so that we can see how to open this up. But yeah, that looks pretty cool.
Likey.